What is up, everybody? Ben Kensington, licensed realtor in Arizona, here with eXp Realty, and today we are located in Rancho Sahuarita, Arizona, just south of Tucson. And I'm going to take you guys on a home tour as I had a showing at this property, which had an unbelievable price. This is a beautiful two-story home that is on the market for sale now. You don't want to miss this one. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, definitely hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Okay, so we're going to look at a two-story home today. This list is provided by Realtor Realty. I had a showing and I wanted to show you guys this house as well. Okay, my client actually ended up going with another house, and this house is still on the market. It's active right now as we speak. Okay, now this house is a two-story home. Okay, it's 3-bed, 3-bath, and it's 2,030 square feet. As you can see here, it has a beautiful living area with high ceilings, and you can see those beautiful windows up top and on the bottom that brings in tons of natural Arizona sunshine, right? All that natural light to brighten up this home, make it it's very inviting, and it is very warm as well. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy the tour on this video. I'm gonna come back towards the end with the price and a little bit more details. So I'll jump back into the video in a little bit. All right, you guys, I'm back. I hope you've enjoyed this home tour so far. And if you are interested in this house, definitely comment if you guys think that this house is worth the price tag. Drum roll, please. Now, the price. Okay, the price is $379,900. This is in the Rancho Sahuarita community, which is just south of Tucson, Arizona. You have tons of amenities. If you guys seen any of my videos in the past, I did an entire tour of this community previously. Okay, they like to call this area Green Valley North, and this is a huge master plan community for those who have been there. They have a lake which has fishing, community fishing. They have swimming pools, biking and walking trails. They have tons of parks, okay, basketball courts, playgrounds. It is absolutely beautiful in Rancho Sahuarita, and they're building even more homes in this area as well. All right, so the price tag, it's active on the market. It is active contingent, okay, and it's $379,900. If you guys want to know more about this property, feel free to reach out to me at any time by phone, okay, call, text, or email. Okay, so you can reach me by phone call, you can reach me by text message, or you can shoot me an email. All right, you guys, I'm not always on social media, so if you do DM me and I don't get back to you, definitely shoot me a text. That's the quickest way to get in contact with me. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour. I will have lots more home tours coming down the pipeline, and definitely hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, share it if you love it, like it if you love it. All right, you guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Selling, or investing in real estate, feel free to reach out to me via phone, text, or email. See you guys next time.